We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 readings so far in the Bitcoin emotional index that have reached into greedy and excited. And let's count how many actually played out. Move down, 1, move down, 2, move down, 3, move down, 4, move down, 5, move down, 6. 6 out of 6 times have resulted in moves down. How's it going, everyone? Today is October 31st. Happy Halloween. Today we're going to be looking at Bitcoin USD on multiple time frames, and unfortunately things are looking pretty spooky. We are looking at some moves down in the market with one specific data point designed to predict major moves incoming, just now posting for Bitcoin. Last time it posted, we got this major move up, but we had bullish sentiment at that time. Now we're looking at bearish sentiment, and this could result in a significant drop to the downside. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what's happening, what you need to look out for, and how to trade this next move. Let's get started. Thanks again for joining us in today's video. My name is Jake with Trade Confident.io, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Today's going to be a great video. If you enjoy it, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto content, education, and analysis. If you are new with us, welcome. We're really excited to trade with you. And in the video you're watching right now, if you head down to the description, we offer an insane membership to our traders. We're actually currently now 79 wins, 0 losses. This was updated today. We got 2 trade wins over the last 24 hours. We offer daily crypto metrics. You'll see exactly what that is in just a minute. And that crazy data is actually included in that. And you can access our $1 million profit account challenge. We're offering our indicators for 60% off right now at the second link. And you can join our free Telegram channel at the third link. Welcome to the TradeConfident.io website. Right here, 79 wins, 0 losses. We're going to go over to the trade setups page real quickly. If you scroll down to view performance record here, I just want to show you our actual trading record here. I know 79 wins, 0 losses sounds absolutely crazy, but I wanted to provide you with the proof, show you exactly what's going on. We started recording these trades February 22nd, 2023, and today is October 31st, 2023. This is a total of 251 days. In this time, we have made a total of 88 trades so far. Currently, we have 79 trade wins, all of them made in profit, with 9 currently active trades. You can see here all the green cells are 1 trades, 4% profit over and over again. The blue ones are ones that are currently active that you can join right now. We have recently started to take 6% profit instead of 4% profit, but as the bull market continues, we are going to raise our profit targets higher and higher. So stay tuned for that. These trades are absolutely crushing it. We're really proud of how they're working, and we're using our metrics here on the TradeConfident.io website, and we're using our indicators over here to make these trades. I'll show you how to use both of them in this video. With that said, let's dive straight into the Bitcoin metrics here. It's the very first one. We're going to scroll down, and the first metric we're taking a look at is the Bitcoin emotional index. Typically, when you see a reading in either greedy or excited territory, anywhere in this green area, this is where you're seeing moves back down in price. You can see on the emotional index, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 readings so far in the Bitcoin emotional index that have reached into greedy and excited. And let's count how many actually played out. Move down, 1, move down, 2, move down, 3, move down, 4, move down, 5, move down, 6. 6 out of 6 times have resulted in moves down. Whenever we jump into the greedy or excited territory, this is where we're typically looking for moves down. Because we've just pushed down into excited after having a greedy reading, this tells me we are looking bearish. Major bearish sentiment there. And if we look down at the Bitcoin volatility breakout detector, we know that the next move is going to be huge. Insanely consistent here too. If you see a green bar below this white dotted line, this is where you're seeing insane moves in the market. Right here, crazy volatility. Right here, insane drop, insane pump and move back down. Crazy dip before the next move up, and then back down, move up. And then right here, this is what I talked about earlier. This one right here called the insane pump to the upside that we saw in the crypto market just a few days ago. And guess what? We've just received the same signal. We have just dropped into the breakout zone, and with bearish sentiment in the market, this could actually show a significant break to the downside. Next up is going to be the Bitcoin whale smart money metric. This is also reading bearish. Right now, we're seeing major short trade sentiment for whales in this market. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go to, and because we've surpassed the negative 800 mark, that we're typically looking for moves down in, just as we can see right here, move down, right here, move down, right here, move down. We should be expecting moves down pretty quickly in this market. Now this shows what whales are likely to do in the future. Let's check out what whales are doing right this second. With the Bitcoin whale money flow relative to price metric, we can see that whale money is moving out of the market while the price of Bitcoin is actually trending upwards. This is what's called bearish divergence. And it's exactly what happened right here before the drop. As the price versus well money flow was dropping, we saw the price was actually increasing. And before this massive drop, the price dropped significantly. We're seeing the same deal play out, and we are much, much higher up on the chart, so the drop should be more significant. And as long as whale money continues moving out of the market, especially if the price is moving upward for a little bit, we should see a very sharp drop incoming. Next up, I want to show you the Bitcoin major support and resistance levels chart. This is going to show our targets, and unfortunately we don't have resistance targets on this. We have recently hit a new high for 2023, very, very exciting. But if the price drops, there is a pretty decent chance of a move down to the $31,862 level, possibly as far down as the $30,222 level. That would be a significant drop. I'm going to be looking for $31,862 first. I think that's going to be our main target for the next couple of weeks, especially moving into November. And we actually have some pretty significant data to show you about November. I'll get to that in just a second. Stay tuned. And last but not least, we're going to be looking at the Bitcoin trade signals chart. Now, we have a strong sell signal that has yet to play out, and we are in a major short trade liquidity zone. You can see the red in the background behind here. The last time this happened, the last time we pushed beyond this red line was right here, and this resulted in a long-term move down. This much larger liquidity zone has a higher probability of pushing the price down even further, so we need to pay very close attention to that. As the price drops, we will be looking for the next buy signal. You can see right here, buy signal move up, strong buy signal move up, buy signal move up. These signals pretty consistently call the bottom of Bitcoin, so that could be the next point of entry when you see a buy signal. Now, if you trade Bitcoin, it's essential that you pay attention to these metrics every single day. Even if you don't trade Bitcoin specifically, if you're in the crypto market, Bitcoin price action tends to lead the price action of all the other coins in the market. Lucky for you, we offer 20 coins worth of metrics on our website, available only to members, and we have a brand new future forecast video that shows a scary November 4th and 5th price pattern that could repeat. Previously, this has been extremely bearish. Plus, watch this millionaire line closely. Don't forget about the scary evidence that points to a November 4th and 5th being the last bullish days of November before huge crashes back down. This is members only content. You do not want to miss this video. You can access this, the metrics, you can access our winning trade setups, currently 79 wins, 0 losses with 9 active trades, and more at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click more. The membership will be the very first link. Click that. It'll bring you to our membership page. You're going to want to snag our full access membership. Limited time special though. The price increases are coming soon. If you purchase now, your price will be locked in. You'll get access to our future forecast, access to all trade setups, live Zoom coaching every single month, access to our metrics across all 20 coins, and many more benefits, including $450 off members only indicator coupon codes for our state-of-the-art indicators. Just go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts. We cannot wait to trade with you soon. With that, we are heading into the live charts. First, I'm looking at Bitcoin USD on the 4-hour chart. We're going to be looking over the 1 day and 1 week time frames as well. So let's dive in. Right now, we're seeing a symmetrical triangle pattern indicated by a descending resistance and an ascending support level. These patterns indicate smaller and smaller volatility. The closer these lines get together, the more and more pressure builds in this market. And just as we saw back here on the volatility breakout detector, that is exactly what's happening. At the same time, on the 4-hour time frame, price versus well money flow is in the middle of its chart. Trades in favor is in the middle of its chart with a 51% chance of a pump. It's very likely we're going to bounce, at least in the 4-hour time frame, off of the structure support, maybe move up and bounce back down one more time before we break out. I think the breakout is going to be to the downside. I know yesterday we did talk a little bit more bullish, possibly seeing a move up as high as $37,267, but I do want to give the opposite perspective, and honestly at this point I think bearishness is more likely. The reason I'm switching this sentiment is because if we head over to the 1 day time frame, price versus well money flow is still extremely high. We still see a 68% chance of a drop, and this tells me, especially with a strong sell signal, we should be expecting moves down overall. Keep in mind that breakout detector, if we have bearish signals, especially as we test the structure support on the 1 day time frame, most often this will result in pretty significant moves to the downside. Heading to the 1 week time frame, same deal, price versus well money flow is actually getting pretty high on its chart relative to local highs, and we have a 90% chance of a drop on the trades in favor. After this massive pump, Not surprising at all, and very likely should result in moves back to the downside. Let's talk about price targets. If we head back to the 1-day time frame, you're going to see our first structure support here at $33,100 to intersect with another pattern, a much larger pattern that's been playing out, a previous rising wedge pattern. If we break down to that, this is going to be our very first structure support that we need to test, and if we break through that, I think it'll be an easy drop down to our previous 2023 high here at $31,645. So from the current price, this is looking like a negative 3.4 to 7.82% drop. Those are my first two targets. Keep in mind there is still a possibility of a move up, but at this point, based on what the current metrics are reading, especially on the 1-day time frame, we are looking for moves back to the downside. Now I want to show you how to make money on this next move. Personally, I don't like entering after massive pumps. It just feels really risky. I prefer to enter on the dips. So as we're waiting for price to drop, and we look at our targets around $31,645, as that happens, whale money should be moving out of the market. Because where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too, so we actually need whale money to drop for the price itself to drop. Once we see both of those low, trades in favor should be much lower on its chart, more likely to see a pump rather than a drop. If we get price versus whale money flow low and trades in favor low, all we need to see next is a buy or strong buy signal. You can see right here we saw price versus whale money flow low, trades in favor low, strong buy, and we saw significant moves up, and it actually began the uptrend that brought us to where we are today. Once again, price versus whale money flow low, trades in favor low, buy or strong buy signal is what I'm looking for in order to enter the next trade. Now, of course, this is not financial advice. Always use risk management. I'm not telling you when or how you should enter a trade, just that this is how we like to do it. And this is what has led to our 79 win, 0 loss win rate on our scalping trades on our membership. We use these indicators literally every single day, and they have been very, very successful for us. Now, if you want to snag these indicators and trade the way we do, you can get them right now for up to $550 off. Check it out. Once again, links are in the description of the video you're watching right now. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The indicators are going to be the second link. Click that. It'll bring you to our indicator page. Pay close attention here. Members get a massive $150 off discount right off the bat just for being members. Thank you so much for joining us. It's significantly cheaper to purchase with a membership than without one, so even aside from the money-making benefits, you get this crazy discount too. Click access coupon code, write that down, then click Pro Indicator Pack. Scroll down, click I want this, enter your discount code, and then fill in your information. Click pay. It's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you that full $550 discount when combined with the membership discount. Go and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in that future forecast video and on the metric charts. Don't miss out.